Okay, I'm going to do a short video on how to connect your iPad or your iPhone to an HDMI connector to your television set. It is the simplest and easiest way. There is also a software feature available now with Apple to let you play Apple TV, and it goes over Wi-Fi so that you're able to connect without all these wires. But I'm going to show you how to do it with the wires just in case you don't have Apple TV on your device. So as you're seeing, there is a video up on the screen. I'm going to play it so you can see.
Joining us for this free series, Resilience in Challenging Times. And it is a great joy and an honor.
And that is playing from my iPad. So I'm just going to show you how the iPad is set up here so that we can see how this works. So when I push this button, it's going to actually have to
have the author of the book,
playing on
Untethered
the TV.
Soul.
Okay, so what I'm going to show you now is just a little device you need to buy, which is this little puppy right here. This is an HDMI connector that you can get from Apple. It has the lightning connector at one end. It has another lightning connector on the back side so you can connect it to electricity. This is just plugged into an electrical outlet. It's just the Apple cable. And this is the HDMI connector. As you can see, it has an HDMI connector, and your HDMI for your TV goes into it. And you can get this at the Apple Store. As you can see, it says HDMI, it's upside down, HDMI and lightning. So I'm just going to reconnect my lightning connector, my HDMI into the device and connect it back to my iPad. And when I do, it shows me that I have no signal. Now I see signal, and now it will play on my iPad.
And the surrender experiment,
and it would work
here
the same way with an iPhone. The one thing you want to remember is that your television has inputs for multiple. There's an input button on here. When I press the input button, it brings up that list on the left hand side, and then I can go up and down to the different HDMI connectors. I'm going to use the cable I'm connecting to today is HDMI 2. If you are using a television that is connected to your DVD player or something else, and you have a separate port, you're going to have to use the new port. But otherwise, if you only have one HDMI port on your TV and have nothing else, then you should be able to find it fairly quickly. But again, if I press the input button, I can move up to wherever I'm actually watching.